Here is how to prepare for the GRE exam and how to study for GRE using my intense method. Use this method for GRE exam preparation, and you will reach high scores with enough time and effort. I am combining a GRE prep course and GRE self-study. Start your GRE basics training with a good GRE prep course. You can find such GRE prep courses online. Check the links below this video for good GRE prep courses. Buy 6 to 12 months of access to the GRE prep course. Work through each GRE course section 2 to 3 times. Work through the whole GRE prep course 2 or 3 times. This is a very powerful GRE exam basic study method. You must thoroughly cover everything in the GRE course. By repetition, your mind will build neural connections sufficient to easily understand and answer GRE exam questions. This is the first part of the powerful GRE test preparation. GRE test prep course will help you build a solid foundation because taught by knowledgeable GRE instructors. Study as hard as you can for GRE every day. Even if you hate it, keep studying more and more. The next step in your GRE exam prep will be self-training. Now you can do GRE study training on your own. Obtain some GRE study quality materials, like GRE books for preparation on your own. Thoroughly work through one book 2 to 3 times too. Do not switch books. Keep working on the same GRE book. The harder you study for GRE, the better will be the result. You will see serious progress after 4 to 6 months of GRE study. You can watch videos and podcasts about GRE exam prep. This will help you to completely immerse into GRE. For more excellent suggested GRE prep resources, check the links below in the video description. Good luck with your GRE exam preparation. See you in the next video.
This voice was produced in Typecast, an artificial intelligence voice service.